Hey guys, if you're spending a lot of your money in advertisement, in running those Amazon PPC campaigns, those brand ads, those headline search ads or display ads, then this video you have to watch till the end. Now I know you must have gone through the same situation like me. You are spending a lot of money in your advertisement, you have kept your budget, you have kept your bids optimized, and then what you see is you are getting a lot of clicks. You have optimized your product page very well. You're getting a lot of clicks, so customers are seeing your ads either by sponsored products or sponsored brands or anything, or display ads. Okay, they're seeing your ad, they're going to your product listing. Okay, and when they jump to your product listing, they see couple of different products, a lot of distractions. One below the buy button, there is one display ad running. One below the prices. Okay, below the bullet points, there are display ads running, brand ads running. Then there are sponsored products, product targeting ads running. And then you scroll, you'll see couple of different products from different brands, and then there is compared with other brands part as well. Customers have a lot of distractions when they are jumping into a listing. They see couple of different brands, so they have a lot of options in their mind now, but they are seeing your ad and jumping on your listing to buy your product. Instead they are seeing a lot of distractions now. As a result, your conversion rate decreases drastically, and this hurts a lot for a new product when launched during the first initial honeymoon period. So I have been testing this new strategy. Okay, I have been testing this new strategy for like couple of weeks now, and I feel now this is the right time to share it with the community. So this is, I'm first going to show you some example of brand store. Okay, I am talking about brand store here. Okay, now not traditional brand store that every other brand is running on Amazon. I use brand store kind of different way to launch my products without any distraction, without any other products being displayed on my product page, and still I am getting huge conversion rates because of just one thing, that no other products, no other brands are showing on my product page, and they see only my product that I am launching. So let me just jump to my screen and show you some example of stores, how other brands are doing it, how I do it, and then you can choose in what type or in what way you are going to use this brand store opportunity. So you can see in this screen right now, okay, this is a product. Okay, now first of all, there should be a lot of ads. There should be one ad showing here, but for some reason it is not showing here, and another should also show here in this part, in this position also one ad should show. Okay, and here you see the first set of ads. Okay, these are brand ads, they are, sorry, product targeting ads that their competitors are running. Okay, these are one of the thing. Okay, then there are other ads. Okay, now if you are running brand ads, then there should be some ads shown at this position as well. Okay, these are another set of ads. So much distractions are there. Another product list are there to distract you from buying this particular product. Then another ad. Okay, another ad, then another this part, compare with similar items, this one. So they are trying to get your attention and distract you from buying your product. Another videos to stop you from purchasing this particular product. Then another ad should be also below this, in this left hand side of the review, but not showing in this product. Okay, now I am going to show you some examples of other brands, what they are doing with their brand stores. Okay, so this is their brand store of one of a brand. Okay, now one of the brand is doing this. Now they have a lot of products here, okay, to display. Obviously they are kind of that established brand, so they are doing it. Okay, but when you are launching a product, you shouldn't do this. You should only have call to action, one call to action. Okay, that is add to cart, only one should be there. Now there's a strange thing here. Okay, there's a lot of products, and you must be asking, okay, if they buy, when they click on the product, they have to go to the product listing. Okay, where they can see from here as well. Okay, the product listing can be also seen from here. Okay, as well as the other things are also shown here. Okay, now one thing you will notice here, when they do add to cart. Okay, when I do add to cart. Okay, let's try with this one. When I do add to cart, here you see this pop-up appears. Okay, let me just do again to show. Okay, this is another product, because these do not have the buy box, that is why add to cart is not showing. Okay, now when I see click this add to cart, just see this proceed to checkout option is popping. Okay, no distractions are there, no distractions are there, straight proceed to cart. Okay, and this is a brand which we're looking at. Let's look at their store for once. Okay, so if you look at their store, they are kind of doing it good, okay, kind of good, but they have a lot of products because they are not using our strategy obviously. And when you see this ad, this thing, okay, now for this particular what I say banner, when you do add to cart, the proceed to checkout do not appear. Okay, that is the thing that I see here. So they are not showing any direct call to action. Okay, so you have to show the call to action immediately when the customer jumps. Now let me show my product, my brand store, how it looks like. Okay, let me share it 1 second. So this is my brand store. Okay, now how is it different from others? Okay, now I have only one product visible in the first page of the brand. When they click on my ads, now you cannot run sponsored products ad in it. You have to run sponsored sponsored brand ads, that is your headline search ads and the display ads. You cannot run video ads right now because video ads do not take you directly to the store page. Okay, so sponsored brands, that is headline search ads, and you can do the display ads, okay, which are obviously very cheap, not as high as sponsored products. So what I have done here is I have some pictures of my product. You can add some text. Okay, now for the pictures you can choose either it can be clickable product image or non-clickable. Okay, for this I have non-clickable option chosen, and here I have one product video. Okay, now you can add product video. I will show you some modules of this. Okay, how many things you can add. You can obviously add some text also. You can add text as well. Now at the bottom, if you see, I have the product listing here. Now this listing, they have the when you click on this show more, they sees all the show all the bullet points and all the images they can see here by clicking on this scroll. When they do add to cart, because they have already seen enough to decide, okay, images are there with text are there. You can also add some text like bullet points, some story here. Okay, and then also the product video is there. Okay, so they must have made enough decision right now to purchase. When they click on add to cart, this pop-up will appear. Okay, proceed to checkout, and they will purchase immediately. No distractions came so far, no other products are promoting in my page, nothing is showing here. Okay, now when you're launching, okay, because it is a brand store, make sure you change it accordingly. Okay, suppose you're launching a new product, change it to a new product, make the page appear like a new product. Okay, and you can do that. Okay, you can add other pages as well. I'll show you how the brand store dashboard looks like. Okay, now this is a thing that you can do, and this strategy I have been using, and the ACoS is really low, as well as the conversion rate, the initiation percentage is really high. Okay, for new products I look at like normally 13, 14, 15% in initiation percentage, but it is like 28%. Okay, it is huge. 28 means huge for any normal listing as well. Okay, so let me just share how the brand store will look like. So this is the dashboard that you will get when you go to create a brand store. Now you can add a lot of options. You can add like split sections. Okay, you can add the product. Okay, the thing that I added at the bottom where the add to cart thing comes. Now you can add image. Now image can be clickable or non-clickable. You can choose that option, like that swappable image, this one. Okay, and this is image with text. You can add that as well. Okay, you can add that as well. Now they have a lot of other options as well. Okay, like so image with text, then text, normal text you can add, then video that I have added, then background video you can add, then product grid, which we do not need for our product promotion. Okay, this we also do not need. This you can add later on when your product is established. Okay, so this is the thing that he can do right now. Okay, to launch your products. And let me know how the strategy worked. You have to get access to brand ads. Okay, display ads and headline search ads. If you have brand registry, you can easily get display ads. Just ask the brand support for it, you will get it. Okay, and with this store you will get a lot of insights. Okay, insights like page report and all, how many visitors, what from where they're coming on and all. Okay, so this is a thing you can add without any distraction. You can sell your product. Okay, so let me know guys how you like this video, and make sure you comment below if you want more this type of tutorial videos or new strategies that I am testing right now. Okay, I will give it straight ahead in these videos. Okay, so that's it guys, I'll see you in the next video.